July. Then the court tells us, no, doesn't matter. On the 29th, all that is subject. Now your lordships are telling me, how can it be subject? Court order to continue with the disqualification. This has happened in the other case.
So then we restore a putative state of affairs.
Yes, your lordships have done that.
Overtaken by events.
In Nabam Rebia, your lordships have done exactly that. Exactly that. Because when I argued this before the Constitution bench then, I said, my lords, what is happening is you let things happen and then you will tell me later that we can't reverse it. He said, no, we will reverse it.
Sybil, then you support Nabam Rebia's course of action when it suits you. And when Nabam Rebia is creating a problem, you wanted to...
No, Maharaj, that's because there are two different issues in Nabam Rebia, Maharaj.
All right.
Maharaj, I'm sorry, Maharaj.
Yeah.
You can't put that argument.
No, we're not at all.
There are two different issues. Maharaj, in fact, I was wondering when your lordships are going to decide to refer it to 7, because this is a real problem. Because that's intrinsically at the heart of the matter, which is why I said you take it up as a preliminary submission. Because ultimately this can only be decided.
But Mr. Sybil, look at the consequence. You today have a speaker. You have a speaker in a democratically elected house. Tomorrow you may have a speaker in parliament. Can the Supreme Court say, sorry, we are now overriding the mandate of this speaker? We will retrace our steps back to say now something which is 8 months ago, restore a speaker who is now no longer holding the office of the speaker, and we tell you, we now decide that somebody is the speaker.
He is still deputy speaker.
Huh?
He is still deputy speaker.
And ask that speaker,
but he is still deputy speaker
to take a consequence. I mean,
he is still deputy speaker. Well, all right. Well, one second. Hold on. You got a lot of hurdles to cross. But anyway, let me.
You're all very seasoned constitutional lawyers, but you know what is worrying us.
No, I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
What is worrying us?
Make a proposition that will in fact destroy the fabric of a constitutional structure that has been in place since independence, since we were a republic. I'm not going to do that. But see what has happened. First of all, the no stays. I mean, they are given time till 12th July. But more important, on the 29th, this court says that we will set aside everything that happens thereafter. See, Maharaj, where we are now. We say, please stay everything. Don't allow the trust vote to happen. Decide this matter. It could have been decided on the 12th of July. Then the court tells us, no, doesn't matter. On the 29th, all that is subject. Now your lordships are telling me, how can it be subject? Now your lordships are telling me, rightly maybe, that how can we go back on 27th? But that's exactly because of the two court orders. What do we do?
But the court order was also prompted by what your speaker did.
Now I said, you stay. Don't allow them to take the oath. Don't have a trust vote. We said that. Then on 29th June, that order is passed. Thereafter, all matters are placed.
Had your speaker chosen to follow the law, by giving them 7 days.
No, Maharaj, the law is Nabam Rebia. Maharaj, law is hollow horn.
The court would have said, all right, go and respond to the
law is hollow horn. Maharaj, I tell your lordship now, I can't in hindsight say what the court should have done was stayed everything, allowed them to file a reply and allow after 12th of June for the speaker to decide. What is the problem? There was no problem. But the status quo changed. Maharaj, they were given time till 12th of July. All right, let them give time. Despite the fact that it is contrary to hollow horn, forget it. They should have been given time. They should have filed a reply. The deputy speaker would have decided, why allow the status quo to be changed? And that also, because a judicial order says, doesn't matter, even if the status quo is changed, we'll restore it back. So we had two judicial orders then. And now your lordship rightly puts now under the proceedings of the House, a new speaker has been appointed. But then you yourself said that we will deal with it. All that will be subject to.
So essentially, we'll therefore have to invalidate the trust vote which took place on the...
Because it was only on the basis of these 39
a trust vote which we will have to invalidate, a trust vote which never took place. So
No. Even the trust vote that took place on 4th is subject to, Maharaj. I'm sorry. All other actions are subject.
My learned brother just...
I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry.